Hey, I'm Evan Arkin, Project Manager with Rosen Sunvisor Systems. Today we are here in Torrance, California at the Sling Pilot Academy and facility installing our new sunvisors on a beautiful Sling TSi that's under construction here. We're going to watch as James, one of the Sling assembly technicians, works on putting our sunvisors in this aircraft.
Hi, I'm James. I've been working at Sling for about 2 years now, and we are about to install the sun visors into Sling TSi here.
So using some blue painter's tape in the door channel here, we've marked our first hole location for the visor mount. And James can show you how we found the reference dimension to do that with our tape.
Yep. We're just using a fabric measuring tape here, going off of the very top of the door channel, straight down. So on most TSIs, that measurement's going to be 9 3/4 inches. So we're going to go ahead and mark the other side. We're going to hold up the visors to make sure they're in the position that we want them in, and then we'll go ahead and drill some holes. So right now we're holding up both of the visors in our test positions just to check the fitment here.
It's important to note for the Sling TSi that the correct visor orientation is for the pilot to see this view of the lens with the 3 screws on the lens strip when they are deployed in the forward position. When they swing out to the side, the pilot then has access to this red knob, which when loosened allows lens extension forward and laterally to cover more side window.
Always do a double check of the measurements just to make sure you got everything lined up correctly. So right there off the top of the door hinge to our marked line, 9 3/4. And we'll double check on the other side as well. All right, we're looking good. So now that we confirmed our 9 3/4 inch mark from the door hinge here, we're just gonna go down 1 3/4 inches for our second hole. Yeah, when you're drilling the holes, always aim for the center of the channel so the screw heads get the right fitment. So on this TSi, this is already a fully built and completed aircraft. So we have the weather stripping already put inside the channel here with adhesive. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like to remove this. So we're going to go ahead and use a 99% isopropyl alcohol solution. We're just going to dump that right in the channel there to break down some of that adhesive. And you might have to let it sit for just a little bit here. And there we go. Yep, so we're just gonna peel off to get access to the space that we need here. So we got our 3/16 drill bit here. We're about to drill our first leading hole here. Second hole.
We removed the visor arm from the swivel post so that it was easier to get to this nut here. We removed this screw, pull it all the way out, drop the arm off, put it back on, and just use this at the provided Allen key to retension the joint.
So we got our 2 holes drilled. Let's go ahead and test fit our mount.
You can see on our mounting plate here that the bottom hole is a slot, which allows for slightly wider tolerance on locating that. 1 3/4 is center to center between these holes, and once you mark that on the top channel, that bolt will fit perfectly through this slot.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a quick test fit right now. I'm just gonna tighten these in. We'll put the visor up. So right now for our install, we are using this stainless steel hardware. In the final kit will come with black oxide screws that'll match the rest of the mounting hardware. So now we got both our screws in. We're just gonna go ahead and tighten that down. So on the visor's very simple. Remember, red knob away from the pilot. Just get in there, and then a screw goes in here to fasten it all together. Tighten it up with the hex key that is included in the kit. And there we are. Now let's go to the other side. All right, moment of truth here. Here's how they look when they're stowed up. At the closest point is maybe about right there, which is perfect. No interference between the two. And they have full mobility. So now the final step is the best step, taking the paper off. So they're in, real easy, quick process to install. Now we're excited to see what they look like in the air.
You just join the pattern. They don't like straight ins because then they get too many mavericks.